Saan yung faculty ninyo ng teacher mo? Saan yung mga faculty? Bakit sa classroom? Oh. O, anong gagawin sa eyebrows? We're going home. Uwi na kami. Hindi namin nagawa lahat ng aming trabaho, pero may nagawa kami sa clearance. Okay? 3 tao na lang yung kailangan pumirma. Saan kayo mga teacher? Yung teacher din nagtatago. We're going home. Oh, itulak mo nga siya. So, video ako. Ito yung school ni Ate Nicole. Baby, one day you will go here? Oh, taas mo yung paa niya. Taas mo pa. Ipasok mo na yung papel sa ano mo. Sa bag mo. Where do you want to go, baby Yana? What time is it now, anak? Let me check. Let's go. 11:30 na pala. Anak, thank you for being a good girl. Nanahimik lang din talaga siya. Anak, ayan na. Baby. Ito yung canteen nila. Medyo maluwang naman yung canteen nila. Kung wala ba dito, Col? Tingnan mo yung mga teacher mo dyan. Baka nagtambay. Teacher mo yan? Ayaw, uwi. Go home, nak. Hindi ko alam. Ano ko tayo ng inquire tayo ng nursing sa dilatlat mo kung magkano yung nursing dito. Oh no, where's Ayana? Ayana is back to Jollibee again. Anak, always Jollibee, anak. Yeah, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Here, come on. This one. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Look, mommy. Look, mommy. 1, 2. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. One more. Oh no. One more. Oh no. One more. Look, mommy. Look, mommy. Look at mommy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You make a mess? Oh no. Yes. It's gone. No. It's okay. It's okay. Ano lang, anak? Nandito pa rin kami sa Robinson mga shots. Tingin lang kami dito, mag-inquire kami. Are you okay? Are you sleeping na? Sa on stage kung anong ganap nila dito. Mag-inquire lang kami. Open the door, Ate Nicole. Nak. Lambay muna kami dito. Timpla ko ng gatas. Ano ba yun? Oh, what's wrong, my baby? What happened? Are you want to draw? I bought you something here. You want to draw? Look what I got for you. This one and crayons. You want to draw? Mama got crayons. This one and the book. See? You can draw something. Come on. You wanna sit down? Sit beside mommy. Come here. Oh, be careful, careful. Not there, not there. Not there, not. Wait, mommy, wait, mommy. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, you go. Sit down. There you go. Yeah. Right? Yung aking sipon. Sarap ba yung ating tissue? Very good. Almost done. Yay. That's very good. So we'll go home. Going home. Take a trike. Kuya, trike.